Today we are in Clarkdale and we're checking out the car show.
Yeah, and there's a lot of cars here. I thought that maybe there would be just, 20, 30 cars, but it looks like there's about 60, 70, 80 cars.
Yeah, I met people from all over the state today. Somebody is far away from Tucson.
That's gorgeous too. Beautiful day.
So we're seeing Mark's favorite thing, which is cars. And then the Clarkdale Library had a sale on my favorite things, which are books. So come and join us.
It's not just about muscle cars, okay? It's not just about shiny paint. It's about culture, Americana. People like cars. We are a very car-driven society, and it really plays out here in Clarkdale. Dave Andrews started this whole thing a long time ago, and now it's put on by the Clarkdale Business Alliance, and it's really, really neat. And it goes off every year on Main Street in Clarkdale. They shut it down.
One of them in memory of Dave Andrews, who started this Clarkdale Car Show many years ago. We're now in our 13th year. Thanks for coming.
Look at this paint job. That is something. This event started back in 2011. They do it every year on the second Saturday of March. From 9 a.m. till 2 p.m. They shut down Main Street in Clarkdale, and you can come on down and see all the different cars. They award different winners for the show. Like, Mark, what are some of the categories?
Best muscle car, best American classic, best truck.
Best foreign classic, oui.
And best Mustang.
Yeah, they do. They have a Best Mustang award that is actually sponsored by Jones Ford. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Look at this artwork on this. That's amazing.
Yeah, so we had this body style Corvette growing up. We had a 350 LT1. Ours was red. It was really nice.
This is beautiful.
And while you're at the car show, well, check out the cars.
Of course.
But there's more stuff to do, Jackie.
Yeah, they've got food trucks there, all different types of little lunches you can grab, and you can take the food and go sit inside our favorite brewery in the area. Smelter, which is right on the corner there, and you can grab a beer, grab a sour, and they don't serve food, so they let you bring in the food that you get at the food truck.
Yeah, bring your fried fish. Oh, there's no fried fish.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
But whatever.
Oh, okay.
Grrr. That was me this morning.
That's a cool roadster. I would drive that for sure.
And of course, with it being right in the downtown Clarkdale area, we wanted to show you a little bit of how charming this section really is. And as you can see, we did go to the book sale from the library. Yes, not nearly as exciting as the cars, but I was able to find a few that were good.
Good for you. Wow, what a car show. We're about to scoot out of here, but we did see, 60, 70, 80 cars, whatever it was, and every vintage, really. Wagons, hot rods, Mustangs, Camaros, GTOs, just a lot of really cool stuff. Even a Pantera. Who knew?
The fun thing was we got to meet a lot of really cool people, and that's one of our favorite things about Clarkdale, Arizona.
This place, this Verde Valley area, Cottonwood, Clarkdale, it is very, very friendly, and people will just, strike up a conversation with you. I mean, we're kind of those people. We'll strike up a conversation with pretty much a dog, you know, whatever.
Mark's never. Oh, I'm definitely talking to every dog I see, and Mark's never met a stranger.
Yeah, so it's very, very friendly and a lot of fun. And we went to the Smelter and we had a sour and we split a hamburger and it was great.
We had a great time. If you're looking for something fun to do in Clarkdale, there's always some event going on once the weather starts to get nice, kind of spring, summer, fall. You can find something fun to do in Clarkdale.
This is Mark and Jackie from the Empty Nester Life. Please subscribe and we'll see you next time.